in your attitude anyway. Now you listen to me. Women like you have a choice to work because of women like you. That's what women's liberation was about. What is so liberating about being a housewife? But I chose to be a housewife. We fought to choose the lives we want to lead. Right. And I chose this one. So what is the problem? And this one is what I think is a big deal to him. And it's up there. God, he's your father. You're on your way to becoming a famous cartoonist. But one day you are going to be the woman who used to be a famous cartoonist. And what will you have left? You had other jobs before, Rachel. You could get other jobs before.
Hey! Forget the ball.
And he spoke the entire world into existence, living in any place.
Go get this water. I know. Let me get it. Oh. Yeah. You got water on your nose? What are you guys doing? That's a baby.